Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Outcomes Rocket. I'm super excited about this series that we're doing in collaboration with Class to recognize the top achievers in healthcare technology. Class put together a list of top 20 emergency tech awards that they showcased at Health. We were excited to meet many of the companies and really just wanted to collaborate in sharing the success and value that all of these companies are creating in the healthcare ecosystem. Join me in these series of interviews where we recognize the top 20 emergency tech awards. Hope you enjoy learning about them, because you could both learn what to do for your business, but also as a provider and a payer, learn how to scale solutions within your organization. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy this interview. We have an extraordinary guest, and I want to tell you about him. His name is Dr. Dressler. Dr. Keith Dressler has 35 plus years of experience in orthodontics and entrepreneurship. He currently serves on the advisory board of the ATA. In 2000, Dr. Dressler co-founded OrthoBank LLC, currently serving 4,000 healthcare providers. In 2020, he successfully sold OrthoBank to OrthoFi, and he's just been an incredible entrepreneur. Today, he leads Rhinogram as chairman and CEO, and we want to really congratulate him on this podcast for being a winner of the Class Innovation Awards. And so I want to welcome him to the podcast. So Dr. Dressler, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you, Saul. It's my pleasure to be here on your podcast. I'm very, very honored.
The honor's ours, Dr. Dressler. And so really would love to learn more about the company and how you service healthcare. Tell us more about that.
Yes. Rhinogram's philosophy is we listen to our clients each and every day. We understand that there are a number of challenges faced by healthcare professionals in delivering personalized care while managing growing time constraints. We also understand that patient-provider engagement and communication with exceptional experiences are paramount in healthcare to gain operational efficiencies and optimize care coordination and workflows while empowering patients and providers alike to equally contribute to a more efficient and effective healthcare delivery system. Therefore, at Rhinogram, we have made and are continually making every effort to revolutionize healthcare communication, breaking barriers and forging connections between patients and their healthcare providers. Our Rhinogram platform is a cutting-edge communication platform designed for patients to engage with their healthcare providers, and obviously vice versa, through simplified, secure, HIPAA-compliant, and convenient messaging, either via SMS text, MMS images, or videos. The Rhinogram platform is very unique in that it allows patients to initiate communications with offices in the patient's preferred method, which is SMS, MMS text these days. That creates a much more trusted relationship between the patient and the provider, thus inherently creating lower no-shows, better treatment outcomes, increased operational efficiencies, and unparalleled patient and provider experiences. Rhinogram is much, much more than your traditional automated appointment reminder system. We recognize that each healthcare practice is unique. Therefore, at Rhinogram, we tailor automation to fit specific practice needs, along with ensuring seamless integrations into existing workflows and providing desired features and functionality that would be most applicable to any given practice or provider. Last but not least, Rhinogram is committed to driving innovation in healthcare communication. We prioritize and take data security, compliance, and user-friendly experiences very seriously, not only to meet industry standards, but also to exceed our clients' expectations. The goal for the Rhinogram team is to stay ahead of the curve and redefine the healthcare experience by streamlining communications between patients and healthcare providers, allowing for efficient, on-demand, and secure exchanges of information between the patients and providers. As you may know, Saul, our success has been recognized with great honor. Rhinogram is thrilled to have received 2 prestigious class awards in 2 categories. The first is improving the patient experience. And we are very, very proud of that, because that in today's world is incredibly important in developing relevance with the patient and the practice. The second thing that we were awarded was reducing cost of care. And I think every practice in the United States and probably the world today wants to reduce cost of care. These achievements are significant for Rhinogram as a vendor, and personally, they hold special meaning to me. With over 38 years of experience in the healthcare industry as a provider, and stemming from a family of multi-generational physicians, the belief in enhanced patient communication and engagement has always been pivotal to our practice's success. The acknowledgement through the class award validates our commitment to advancing patient-centered care and underscores the importance we place in facilitating improved healthcare experiences. It serves as a testament to our dedication to leveraging technology to improve patient outcomes and the efficiency of healthcare delivery. At Rhinogram, our ethos revolves around enhancing patient-provider interactions, driven by the understanding that effective communication is at the core of successful healthcare practices. This accolade further motivates us to continue innovating and delivering solutions that empower both the patients and the providers alike, ultimately transforming the landscape of healthcare communications.
Well, thank you. Really appreciate that summary, and the value you guys are adding is clear. As you guys have taken on more and more practices onto your platform, what are the biggest challenges you see in healthcare?
The biggest challenges we see across healthcare today are staffing shortages and employee staff burnout, including the providers. Both of these are largely created by inefficient communication and/or administrative burdens. However, no matter the cause, the result is revenue reduction. Rhinogram recognizes these challenges as critical pain points within the industry. Our commitment to alleviating these burdens is deeply embedded in our approach. So how does Rhinogram contribute to overcoming these challenges? By enabling healthcare facilities to achieve much, much more with less. Rhinogram's digital communication and virtual care platform are at the forefront of this transformation. Leveraging artificial intelligence as a cornerstone, our platform is designed to enhance operational efficiency within your facility. By streamlining communication channels and automating routine administrative tasks, Rhinogram empowers healthcare providers to focus more on the patient care and less on administrative overhead. Rhinogram helps healthcare facilities do more with less. Rhinogram's digital communication and virtual care platform incorporates artificial intelligence to aid in providing your facility with improved operational efficiency. It may surprise many to learn that up to 25% of your staff's administrative workload can be effectively automated through Rhinogram's innovative solutions, requiring no human intervention. This automation not only frees up valuable time for healthcare professionals, but also reduces the risk of burnout and mitigates the impact of staffing shortages on patient care delivery. At Rhinogram, we are committed to being a catalyst for positive change in healthcare, communication, and operational efficiency. Our platform isn't just about technology. It's about transforming healthcare experiences for both patients and the providers.
So, what stakeholders are you most focused on helping?
Well, believe it or not, Saul, Rhinogram has had significant success across all healthcare stakeholders in all size facilities, providing staff, patients, and providers the best experiences. In the realm of healthcare communication, one critical aspect often overlooked is a diverse array of stakeholders, each with distinct needs and preferences, interconnected within the healthcare facility's operational framework. This complexity arises as various market segments, including large and small healthcare facilities, providers, staff, and patients, operate within an EHR or PMS system primarily focused on operational and administrative needs. But when you take into consideration who the customer is of each of these stakeholders and what that customer wants and what is relevant for them for their communication needs, that is where Rhinogram fits in perfectly as a partner to the EHR and PMSs. Understanding these diverse requirements of each stakeholder group and catering to their communication needs is where Rhinogram excels. As a strategic partner to the EHR and PMS systems, Rhinogram bridges the gap, aligning communication tools with the specific demands of each stakeholder. Some of the comments from our customers across different specialties include, "My staff would all quit if I canceled our Rhinogram account. Rhinogram has been great for us and our business. Rhinogram really does lower that barrier to care and makes it super easy for patients and providers to communicate in the channel that they prefer." In short, Rhinogram's success story extends across the healthcare spectrum, embracing all stakeholders in facilities of varying sizes. Our platform is meticulously crafted to ensure that staff, patients, and providers experience seamless and efficient communication tailored to their distinct needs and preferences.
Well, thank you, Dr. Dressler, and lots of great reviews, and certainly a very targeted approach to the market and how you could help with communications. What unmet or undermet need does the solution really excel in and provide?
Well, Saul, I really want to pivot this discussion towards relevance. Pre-pandemic, patients were skeptical about using technology for their healthcare needs. Let's put it that they simply didn't like it and resisted its adoption. However, the post-pandemic landscape paints a starkly different picture. Today's patients are tech savvy, and they come in with clear expectations about how technology should seamlessly blend into their healthcare experience. However, here's a critical point. Despite being more tech savvy, many patients are averse to downloading yet another app or logging into portals solely to communicate with their healthcare provider. Moreover, they do not want to receive text messages from unknown numbers. Even elderly patients comfortable with texting prefer a user-friendly interface akin to texting friends and family. Therefore, merely talking of aiding patients in navigating healthcare complexities is insufficient. However, embedding a patient satisfaction focus into healthcare culture and processes is very essential. Rhinogram, with its unique ability to facilitate direct SMS, MMS communications, enable patient-initiated messages from both new and existing patients, provides great value to healthcare providers and patients alike. Additionally, this capability significantly reduces call volumes. It enhances operational efficiencies and attracts new patients for the providers while addressing key issues like staffing shortages and provider burnouts. The patient's ability to initiate communication is a distinctive aspect of the Rhinogram platform, not commonly found in traditional healthcare communication systems, but much needed to succeed in today's environment. While EHRs are critical and encompass functional aspects from a facility standpoint, Rhinogram specifically targets communication from the patient's perspective. Together, they offer a comprehensive and agnostic solution by empowering patients to start conversations easily and in a user-friendly manner, particularly when it is needed most, ultimately translates into better patient outcomes and success in the value-based care environment.
Thank you so much for that. And so as we take a look at all of the solutions that the platform is helping with, what's the number one thing that you want our listeners to leave with today?
Well, the one point I'd like to emphasize is that if we truly aspire to make a difference in our healthcare ecosystem, we must prioritize repositioning the patient at the center, especially amid of the ongoing tug of war between payers and providers. And Rhinogram can help with it. With Rhinogram's robust functionality, coupled with its non-clinical AI capabilities, we offer a unique solution designed to guide patients seamlessly through their healthcare journey, whether they receive care in person or virtually. We can meet patients in their comfort zones and can provide the same level of accessibility and convenience that people expect in their everyday lives, including language translation services tailored to their native tongue. Our platform provides a virtual waiting room, enabling patients to wait from anywhere, whether at home or on the go. This same flexibility extends to appointments, allowing both in-person and virtual visits. Through on-demand virtual sessions, providers can increase their practice's capacity and revenue without the need for additional physical space. These virtual visits can serve various purposes, whether clinical, administrative, or even for guiding patients through directions and check-in while waiting in their car in the parking lot. Our contactless payment feature streamlines the payment process, eliminating the hassle of invoicing and waiting for payments. With our text-to-pay option, patients can easily settle their bills using credit debit cards or ACH transfers, reducing the need for multiple collection calls and simplifying the payment cycle. Additionally, our platform supports post-care follow-ups and population health initiatives, ensuring patients adhere to pre-surgical instructions, post-operative care regimens, treatment plans, referrals, and much more. To alleviate staff burnout and ensure comprehensive care, our after-hours triage system efficiently directs patient messages to on-call team members, reducing the burden on your staff while maintaining responsive care around the clock. So once again, to summarize, we must prioritize placing the patient back at the center, bridging the communication gap, which is exactly what Rhinogram does.
Outstanding. And thank you so much for those calls to action there. What would you say is the best place for the listeners to reach out to you and learn more about Rhinogram?
Well, we have a dedicated team that is open 24/7 through our website at www.rhinogram.com. That's RHINOGRAM.com. But you can also reach out directly to me at drd@rhinogram.com or connect with us on LinkedIn. And as you would expect, you can text us at 423-800 800-7644. That's 423-800-7644. Thank you, Saul, for having me on your show today.
Dr. Dressler, thank you very much, and exciting to hear all the advances that Rhinogram is doing to facilitate communication between patients and the practices that
Thank
serve
you.
them. Really appreciate it, and congrats again on the Class Innovation Award.